Hi besties, welcome to my channel. Today we're making coconut rice. I'm using coconut oil and I'm pouring in my onions and I'm going to fry this. After that I had my curry, my thyme and my bay leaf. I usually like doing this in any time I want to cook jollof rice, fried rice or anything, because the spices, I fry them so that they can infuse into what I'm cooking and the taste can come out. That is when I get the actual taste of those spices. So I would encourage you to please try this process too and see your food taste will change to the next level. So then I am frying it for like minimum of 2 minutes, and also I pour in my pepper. This pepper is my onion, my scotch bonnet pepper and my shepherd pepper, and I allow this to cook for 3 to 5 minutes until it is dry like this. Now I am pouring in my catfish. For making coconut rice, you need your catfish. This is my coconut oil milk, and also this is me pouring inside. One thing about coconut rice is you do not need water. Please don't add water to coconut rice. What you just need is enough coconut milk and your stock. So this is me mixing it. I didn't add water to this process, and this is my crayfish. So yeah, I'm making 2 decals of rice. That should be like 1,000 grams of rice, and I used 3 coconut milk. And so this is me pouring in my stock. You can pour in your stock, but do not add water at any point in time. This is being cooked at a medium heat and steam. Coconut rice or jollof rice needs just steam, not too much water. If not, the taste of the coconut rice will not come out because it will be diluted with water. And now this is me adding my rice to the mix. Can you see? So next thing we have to do is to cover this and allow this to cook for a minimum of 15 minutes. And this is the steam on a low heat. On a low heat. Jollof rice or fried rice cook on a low heat. And now I'm going to pour in my veggies, my carrots, mixed vegetables. I'm pouring it in, and also my shrimp. I'm pouring it my shrimp also. If you have any gizzard, any meat you don't want, again any fish, just pour it in, because now the process is just for it to steam and nothing more. So please try this process. Please try this coconut rice. It is so tasty, it is so lovely, and trust me, you will love the outcome. You know my videos now, I don't give you fake, I give you original, just the way I make it for my family. So try this process and I'm sure you're going to love it. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for always being there, and please kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Assist your sister now. Assist me. Subscribe, share and send this video to so many people as possible that would also benefit from this. Thank you, and see you in the next video. And also I would really appreciate your comments. Bye. Thank you.